Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to become a StockX Authenticator. So let's just get straight into the video. First, let's discuss about the requirements to become one. And if you pass all these requirements, then you can simply go ahead and apply through the StockX career website, which I'm going to be showing you just in a moment. So there are a couple of requirements that you need to become a StockX Authenticator. So StockX looks for candidates with specific knowledge regarding product manufacturing and the ability to spot counterfeits. So, previous experience in retail, customer service, or operation is preferred. Experience in reviewing and authenticating sneakers is highly valued. The second thing is knowledge, so strong product knowledge regarding sneakers, streetwear, or luxury good manufacturing methods, common counterfeiting techniques is also required. When it comes to skills, high attention to detail, accuracy, and a sense of urgency is also required. And if you have a high school diploma or a GED is generally required, and also a ability to work in a fast-paced environment and work well in teams is also highly required. Now, in order to go ahead and apply for it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for StockX Careers. So StockX Career, just like that, and then click on the first icon right over here. As you can see, they don't have currently any job right over here open, but you can simply go ahead and find your role, and when it is open you can simply go ahead and apply right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.